Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. DTC P0796 signifies an issue with the AT automatic transmission clutch pressure control solenoid valve C in the Honda Pilot from 2016 to 2022. This error code typically implies that the valve is stuck in the off position, which prevents the transmission from shifting freely. In Honda vehicles, the AT clutch pressure control solenoids play a crucial role in regulating transmission fluid pressure, affecting the shifting process and ensuring smooth gear engagement. This malfunction can trigger a fail-safe mode in the vehicle's PCM, powertrain control module, leading to limited gear functionality. For confirmed DTC, shifts are limited to second or fifth gears, while for pending DTCs, only third or sixth gear shifting is enabled. It's important to identify the symptoms and underlying causes of this error to facilitate appropriate repairs, thereby restoring proper transmission functionality for the vehicle. The DTC P0796 indicates that the AT clutch pressure control solenoid valve C is stuck in the off position. This issue affects the transmission's ability to shift into any gears other than, specifically, the second or fifth gears when the DTC is confirmed. Pending conditions permit shifts only into third or sixth. The affected component, the clutch pressure control solenoid, is essential for regulating the pressure of the transmission fluid, which is crucial for smooth gear changes. This solenoid resides within the transmission assembly, where it works with other components to manage fluid flow and pressure based on driving conditions. When the solenoid fails or is stuck, the resulting inadequate pressure severely hampers the transmission's performance, prompting the vehicle to limit its range of gear shifts as a protective measure. Several potential causes can lead to DTC P0796 being triggered. First, a faulty clutch pressure control solenoid itself could cause the solenoid to become stuck, thus preventing proper functionality. Furthermore, the issue might also originate from problems related to the shift valve components, such as the shift valve C, D inhibitor valve, or reverse inhibitor valve, which all play crucial roles in gear engagement and shifting. Another likely cause is the presence of metal debris or excessive clutch material within the transmission, indicating wear and tear or potential failure of internal components. Finally, a low transmission fluid level can also compromise the operation of the clutch pressure control solenoid, causing it to function improperly and leading to an inability to shift gears effectively. Each of these factors can dramatically influence transmission performance, demanding thorough inspection. The symptoms associated with DTC P0796 often manifest as limited gear shifting capabilities. Drivers may experience scenarios where their vehicle can only shift into second or fifth gears when the issue is confirmed, or only third or sixth gears when it's a pending DTC, severely restricting vehicle operation and performance. Additionally, unexpected abnormal transmission behavior could become noticeable, including harsh shifts or unresponsive changes. These symptoms indicate that the transmission may not adequately respond to driver inputs, which can also pose safety risks during normal operation. Moreover, the possibility of fluid leaks may arise as a consequence of internal component failure, which may require immediate attention to prevent further complications and ensure the transmission's integrity. The first troubleshooting step to address DTC P0796 involves warming up the engine to its normal operating temperature until the radiator fan activates. This step ensures that the ATF, automatic transmission fluid, reaches the appropriate viscosity and flow characteristics necessary for accurate diagnosis. Once the engine is warm, verify that the transmission is filled to the correct level while also checking for any fluid leaks that may indicate a problem. Subsequently, drain the ATF through the strainer. This strainer must be inspected for any metal debris or excessive clutch material, as such foreign particles could suggest internal damage within the transmission. If metal debris or excessive material is found, it flags a severe issue necessitating a transmission replacement. If the strainer is clear, ATF replacement is needed before proceeding to the next step. For the second step in troubleshooting DTC P0796, begin by turning the vehicle to the on mode, which powers the vehicle's electrical systems without starting the engine. Clear the DTC using the HDS, Honda Diagnostics System tool. This action resets the error readings and allows technicians to monitor if the problem recurs. Following this, select the clutch pressure control, linear, solenoid valve C from the miscellaneous test menu and conduct testing through the HDS. This test assesses whether the solenoid is functioning correctly. If the HDS indicates that the solenoid's performance is normal, this suggests potential intermittent failure. The system may be operating correctly at this moment. However, if the solenoid fails the test, it indicates malfunctioning components, necessitating further evaluation and potential replacement of different internal transmission components, including the secondary valve body. After completing repairs related to DTC P0796, it is crucial to perform a final verification of the repair status. First, confirm that the initial issue has been resolved by ensuring the AT clutch pressure control solenoid valve C operates effectively, allowing proper transmission shifting once again. Conduct a test drive of the vehicle, simulating various driving conditions to ensure that the shifts are smooth and responsive. This real-world testing is critical in confirming the effectiveness of the repairs performed. Additionally, after the test drive, inspect for any signs of fluid leaks around the transmission area, ensuring that all seals and gaskets are intact and functioning as expected. This final step is essential to verify that the vehicle is not only operating as intended, but also free from potential future problems. To prevent issues like DTC P0796 from occurring, regular preventive maintenance is essential. Start with routine checks of the automatic transmission fluid, ATF, level and condition. Insufficient fluid levels can lead to multiple transmission problems, including solenoid malfunction. Monitoring transmission performance closely will allow early detection of changes or symptoms that may indicate an upcoming issue. Any unusual noises or shifting patterns should be investigated promptly to avoid further complications. Furthermore, addressing any fluid leaks as soon as they are observed can significantly prolong the life and efficiency of the transmission. By adhering to these preventive measures, vehicle owners can minimize the risk of future DTC occurrences and enhance the overall reliability of their Honda Pilot. In conclusion, DTC P0796 involves the A-T clutch pressure control solenoid valve C being stuck off, which significantly affects the Honda Pilot's transmission functionality. Symptoms like limited gear shifting indicate that your vehicle may be operating in a fail-safe mode, often because of issues like fluid level problems or internal component failure. Correctly identifying and addressing the root causes of this DTC is crucial to restoring full transmission operation. Regular maintenance practices, including ATF checks and timely repairs, are essential in preventing future occurrences of this error, ensuring safe and reliable vehicle operation. By understanding this fault and implementing preventive measures, owners can enhance the longevity and performance of their Honda Pilot. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.